jeans, 25 pairs of jeans. I'm trying something different. This is my first online wholesale job lot. Ordered them yesterday and they came today. I'll tell you the price shortly and the company I ordered them from, because that was super fast delivery. And here there is Lee jeans, Levi's, and Wrangler. Now, seem to be quite a lot of Levi's, which is good. We'll count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of Wrangler. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of Lees. 2 random that really shouldn't be in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pairs of Levi's. So I think I get 1 extra. So, there's a heavy box. This came from Best Vintage Wholesale, or based in Manchester, and the box delivered cost me £53. It was 48, should have been 50. I think there was some sort of discount, and £5 to deliver, £53 something. Ordered them yesterday afternoon. They came this afternoon before 3 o'clock. Super fast delivery, and we'll see how we go on. This, I'm trying out Vinted. Vinted is new for me, so I'm trying out that. But looking on the prices, eBay, the prices in eBay for Levi's are not bad, so I'm going to try both. We'll see how we go on. I'll keep you updated. I'll do a listing video. I'm going to start listing the Levi's first. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and get ready for the next video.